Today I will show you the 16 times table trick. So first what we are going to write the 1 times table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will write the 6 times table. 6 ones are 6. 0, 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 six are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Now we are going to add the tens place to 1 times table. Here tens place is 0. So, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 6 will remain as it is. So, see 16 ones are 16. Same, we are going to add the tens place with the 1 times table. So, 2 plus 1. Here also we did the same thing. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 6 remain as it is. Similarly, we are going to add the 1 times table with the tens place of the 6 times table. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 will remain as it is. Then same, we are going to add the 1 times table with the tens place. 48. 16 threes are 48. Same thing we are going to follow. 4 plus 2, 6 and 4 will remain as it is. So 16 fours are 64. Then 5 plus 3 is 8 and 0 will remain as it is. So 16 fives are 80. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 will remain as it is. 16 6 are 96. Then 7 plus 4 is what? 7 plus 4 is 11 and 2 will remain as it is. So 16 sevens are 112. Then 8 plus 4 is 12 and 8 will remain as it is. So 16 times 8 is 128. Then 9 plus 5 is 14. So 14 and 4 will remain as it is. 16 times 9 is 144. Now 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is 16 and 0 will remain as it is. So 16 times 10 is 160. I hope the trick is very clear to you all.